Hello everyone, you are most welcome in this channel. In this video, we are going to start with English grammar. Now, we will discuss what is grammar, what is language, kinds of grammar, what is a sentence, what are parts of speech, definition and examples of different parts of speech. First is grammar. What is grammar? Grammar is the art of speaking and writing a language correctly. So, grammar is the art of speaking and writing a language correctly. With grammar, we can say whether the sentence is right or wrong. Grammar is a scientific method of describing a language and its structure. So, it is a scientific method of describing a language and its structure. So, what is a language? Language is the expression of human personality in words, whether it is written or spoken. It is a medium of communication, oral or written. Okay? So, what is grammar? It is an art of speaking and writing a language correctly. And language is the expression of human personality in words, whether it is written or spoken. So, understand what is grammar and what is language. Now come to the next one, kinds of grammar. There are 5 kinds of grammar. First one, orthography. What is orthography? Orthography is the study or system of spelling. While writing, we have to spell, and the system of spelling is called orthography. Next part, etymology. Etymology is the study of the origin and history of words and their meanings. So, etymology is the study of the origin and history of words and their meanings. Next come syntax. What is syntax? Syntax are the rules for the arrangement of words into phrases and into sentences. We make sentence with words, and syntax is the rules for the arrangement of words into phrases and sentences. Next come punctuation. We are very much familiar with this punctuation marks. Punctuation is the art or system of punctuating, means putting punctuation marks like full stop, comma, question mark, colon, dash, all these punctuation marks. How to use this? It is called punctuation. Next comes the next part, last part of grammar is prosody. Prosody is the study of the rhythm, pause, tempo, trace and pitch features of a language. So, these are the 5 parts of grammar. So, these are the kinds of grammar, 5 parts of grammar. Next comes our most important part, sentence. What is a sentence? Sentence is a combination of words that make a complete sense is called sentence. So, a combination of words that make a complete sentence is called a sentence. For example, we are Indians. One sentence. The Aryans are our forefathers. They wrote the Vedas. The Ramayana and the Mahabharata are the oldest epics. The English speaks in English. So, whenever we speak or write, we use sentence. Understand? What is a sentence? A sentence is a combination of words that make a complete sense. Okay? Next, what are parts of speech? Very important part. What are parts of speech? We start with this. In language, when we speak, we use sentence. And in a sentence, all the words are divided into 8 groups according to their function. And these groups are called parts of speech. So, we have 8 parts of speech. So, remember one thing. What is parts of speech? It is very important. All the words of a sentence are divided into 8 groups according to their function in the sentence. Remember it. According to their functions in the sentence. And these are called parts of speech. And we know we have 8 parts of speech. No? So, we understand what are parts of speech? All the words are divided in 8 groups according to their function in the sentence. They are called parts of speech. Now we start the 8 parts of speech. What are the 8 parts of speech? Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So we have these 8 parts of speech. Now we will discuss these 8 parts of speech in details. Now we will define the parts of speech with examples. First one, nouns. What are nouns? Nouns are naming words. Nouns are naming words. They denote names of persons, places, things or any abstract idea. For example, Nayan, Ayush, Saugata, Kolkata, India, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Road, cow, dog, tiger, kindness, mercy, honesty. These are the names of either persons or places or things. And these nouns can be also divided in 5 categories. We will discuss this in later. So, what are nouns? Nouns are naming words. Name of anything, any person, any place or any abstract ideas like mercy, kindness, honesty. These are nouns. Okay? We understand the first parts of speech, nouns. Second comes pronouns. What are pronouns? Pronouns are used instead of nouns. What we use instead of a noun is called pronoun. For example, I, we, you, he, she, they, it, etc. They are pronouns. So, pronouns are words which are used instead of nouns. Okay? Our next parts of speech is adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. Adjectives are describing words. They describe nouns and pronouns. So we can say adjectives describes a noun or a pronoun. The examples of adjectives are good, nice, honest, bad, beautiful, cute, wonderful, etc. We'll discuss this in detail in later. So you understand what are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. Now come the next parts of speech, verbs. What are verbs? Verbs are action words. Verbs are action words. Verbs are used to describe an action, state or occurrence. So, very simply we can say verbs are action words. The examples of verbs are am, is, are, was, has, have, read, write, play, go, come, stand. Like this we know verbs, and we'll discuss verbs in details in another videos. Now we are just going to define the 8 parts of speech with examples. Next come adverbs. What are adverbs? An adverb is a word or phrase that modifies or qualifies an adjective, verb or another adverb. For example, quickly, silently, slowly, now, then, here, there, yesterday, today, daily, annually, never, extinct. So many. So, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word or phrase that modifies or qualifies an adjective, verb or another adverb. Okay? Now comes preposition. Preposition. From the word we understand what is preposition. Pre means before, position means place. So, a preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun or pronoun or noun phrase to show direction, position, location, time or place. So, very simply we can say a preposition is a word which is used before a noun or pronoun to show direction or position. Some examples of prepositions are at, in, on, to, for, from, of, by. These are the examples of prepositions. Okay? What is preposition? A preposition is a word or a group of words used before a noun or pronoun to show direction or position. Okay? Next, conjunction. Conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are words that join together other words or group of words. So, conjunction is a joining words, connecting word. Conjunctions are connecting or joining words. And very common examples of and, or, but, because, yet, etc. So, understand conjunction? Conjunctions are joining or connecting words. Next come interjection. This is the 8th parts of speech. What is interjection? An interjection is a word or group of words which express certain feelings or emotion. Interjections are words which express certain feelings or emotion. Actually, interjections are grammatically independent from the words around it. Interjections are independent from the other words around it. So, it is not properly a part of speech, but we consider it as the 8th parts of speech. Some examples of interjections are hooray, bravo, alas, oh, wow. The words which express certain feelings or emotion, they are called interjection. Okay? So, in this video we have discussed what is grammar, what is language, kinds of grammar, what is a sentence, what are parts of speech, and definition and examples of 8 parts of speech. Till this for today, happy learning, goodbye.